This is the ingredients that you would need to make this punch de creme. I have 12 eggs that I'm going to whisk, and when it is looking something like this, we're going to add 4 packs of green butterfly 250 ml. We're going to also add in 3 tins of 39-gram condensed milk. When we have added the evaporated milk and the condensed milk, we're going to mix everything together, and when it is properly well combined, we're going to add in our Angostura bitters. Again, I do not really measure when coming to spices that much. Alright, I more go with eyeballs, so I would use like cinnamon and the vanilla extract and the nutmeg, again more like eyeball. And once that is added, we're going to also make sure that it's properly well mixed in. I don't think I mentioned, please don't forget to add that lime peel, because remember it's eggs we're dealing with, so we need to take away that freshness. So we're going to also add in here some Paris back. I almost used the whole bottle. We're going to mix that around properly, and this excuse me, this is the end result of all our hard work. It is worth it. Give it a try and let me know what you think of this recipe. And please, may I add, don't ever drink this drink with any ice. Please refrigerate. And I would say make this drink at least a week before Christmas, so by that time it is properly well chilled and there's no need for ice. Please enjoy the season and have a glass of my punch de creme. Don't take Christ out of Christmas.